Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about manage class timing set in Fitina. So you can find manage class timing set from timetable. So from academics, you can see timetable. So the first option that is available here is manage class timing set. So here we will create the timing set for the school or for the college. So they'll be having different timing set in a week, or they'll be having different timing set for each day. So you have to manage that changes in this timing set. So based upon the timing set, we can assign the timetable. So let me move to this manage class timing set. So you can see an option here. So these two are the timing set that I have already created. So let me create a new one. So I'm giving the name as class timing. Let's say I'm giving it as Monday to Wednesday. So it means in a scenario, one institution is having a timetable that is Monday to Wednesday, they're having the common timetable structure. So I'm creating that scenario here. So I'm giving the name as class timing set Monday to Wednesday. So after creating the timing set name, we can add the class timing. So I'm creating the timing. So I'm giving the name as period 1. So in this class timing set, we will create the structure of the timetable. So when the class will start for the day. So we have to give the exact date. So we have to give the exact time for the timetable. So we can, let me give the name. So let me give the time as, I'm giving 9 to 10. So if that period is a break, then we have to enable this. It means if we enable this as a break, then there is no timetable entry for this selected date. So in this case, I don't want to make it as a break because that's a class time. So I can untick this and I can create the class times. So in this way, we have to create the timing set completely. So I'm giving some more periods just for the reference. I'm giving the time as 10 to 11, and I'm not making it as a break. So after creating this period 2, I'll create a break. So I'm giving the time as it's starting from 11 to 11:30. And if it's a break, we have to make it as a break. Otherwise, while allocating the timetable, this 11 to 11:30 will be an active timing set for the subjects. So if you make it as a break, then there is no such available time for timetable allocation. It will be coming it as break default. Let me save it. And I'm creating one more period. So I'm giving the name as period. So here I'm giving the time as, let's say 11:30. And one more thing, if you're trying to create the time as, let's say I'm giving 11:20 to 1. So if you save it, you'll get a warning message because this start time is overlapping with the existing timing. Because you can see here, break 1 is starting from 11 to 11:30. So we have to give the time as starting from 11:30 to any other time that is exceeding this 11:30. So I'm giving it as, let's say 12:30. So this will work. So we can create this. So in this way, we can create the timing set for the institution. So here I have created the timing set for Monday to Wednesday. So same way, if you have different class timing set for each day, then you have to create the class timing set separately. After that, we can assign the timing set for each batch with the day. So in this case, I'm creating one more timing set that is for Thursday to Friday, like that. I'm giving the name that is class timing. So the same way that we have done for the first timing set, we have to do the same thing for this new one. So here I'm giving only 2 timing set. Let's say period 1 starting from 10 to 11, and I'm creating one more period 2 that is from 11 to 12. So I'm creating only 2. It means we have created 2 timing set. One is class timing set, that is we have created for Monday to Wednesday. That's the name that we are given, because in this scenario, this like that particular institution is having the same timetable structure from Monday to Wednesday, and for the rest of the 2 days they're having different timing set. So if we have different timing set for each day, then we have to create separately. So in some scenarios, you'll be having only one timing set for the entire week. So one timing set you have to create, and you can assign the same timing set for all the batches if you're having a single timing set. So that is all about this class timing set in Fedina. So let me just rephrase that timing set. That is, first we have to give the name of the timing set. So if you're having only one timing set, that one timing set name and the class timings you can add. If you have different timing set in your institution, you have to create all the timing set in this manage class timings.